Hello and welcome to Local Masters. We're really excited today to have you join our amazing community where you'll get to improve your skill sets and experience our unique courses with our awesome instructors. Local Masters has taught thousands of students over the years, and we are really excited about this opportunity to help you excel as well. We are truly committed to helping you learn from the best instructors and are really focused on providing an effective learning experience. So we make it super easy to connect you with our instructors by using the online platform called Zoom. For those of you unfamiliar, Zoom is a free video conferencing app just like Skype, where you can download it on your mobile device or PC for free. Our online classes are 1 hour in duration, and the first class is free. During the class, you'll get to experience what our classes are all about. We want you to check out the class, see if it's a right fit for you, and then proceed from there. If you did enjoy our classes and wanted to continue, we would place you into our 8-week course program, where you would receive one class per week for a duration of 8 weeks. You'll get to experience our amazing curriculum and be able to compare just how much you've grown over the past 8 weeks by comparing yourself from the start to the end of the course. You'll have the option of choosing between group settings, which is comprised of 1 to 4 students, or choosing the one-on-one option where you'll get to learn in a private setting. The group session is a one-time payment of $160, and the one-on-one session is a one-time payment of $320. We make our plans easy and very suited for you to get the best learning experience. All you have to do to start is simply send us an email to courses@localmasters.com. Titled 8-Week Course Program, stating that you want to get started with us on the 8-week course learning program. We are excited to embark on this journey with you, and we hope to create value from your experience. Thank you for joining Local Masters, and we are looking forward to starting with you.